So 80% win rate strategy. I'm going to tell you what it is, and then I'm going to show you some trades that I've taken recently. It's all very simple, and let's get into it. It's really, really not rocket science, guys. So here we go. This is my price action. Let's zoom out a bit so that the price action isn't as choppy. This is your price action, as we see so often. Go and mark out your major lows on your 5 minute, your 15 minute. It's really, really simple. This takes like 5 seconds. I do this every day and it takes like 5 seconds to do. And then I'll just wait for one of these levels to get hit, set alert. Say for example we do this. I'll be basically looking for inverted fair value gaps back to the upside with good momentum like this. Really, really simple stuff. Literally so easy a kid could do it. I always look for these 3 candle pattern V shapes because they are really, really high probability reversal patterns. Like this. You've got your fair value gap, as you can see there. 1, 2, 3 candles. You create your fair value gap. You get one big candle that comes over it after a liquidity sweep. A pretty major low. You want to see the big lows getting swept, and then reversals like this. And overall, what I do is I just enter on the inverse. I risk about $200 per trade. My stop loss is a manual stop halfway between the low and the gap. I target 1 for 1. When we hit 1 for 1, I scale half, go break even, and then target liquidity back above like this. Really super simple stuff. Easy as you like. Really, really easy. And that's it. And I'm going to show you some examples. There's been no examples over the last week or so because price action's absolutely ass. Huge pump last Monday, huge dump, and then basically just bearish the whole week. But with no clear or obvious reversal inverses that you could have taken, really. There was nothing last week that I really liked. But there were a few good examples the week before, which I'll show you now, if I can find them. This one was really good. I keep showing this one because this is the prime example. And I'm just going to keep this video really short and sweet because I know people hate the waffle. You're all busy people. I get that. So this is it. Sweep. Obvious sweep. Really obvious. Lovely 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute. As you can see here. Risking about 3 or 4 micros on this trade. Which is about $200 for me. Copy traded on 25 accounts. We hit 1 for 1 after about 20 minutes. Perfect. So I take 2 micros off there. $100 locked in. And then I am basically just looking for continuation. Holding micros here. We get to 3 to 1 on this next pump. I think I took another micro off here. So I'm about $400 up. $300 or $400 up. One more micro I'm holding. I'm trying to aim for this high. And then we get New York Open. Blast us to this high up here. Made about $600 or $700 overall in this trade. Absolute banger. Really, really good time of things. Things can be so simple in trading. Another 5 minute here. This one was off open. Obviously going sideways. Tons of liquidity here. Really obvious. Big swing to the downside at open. As we can see. Really, really obvious swing. Obvious 5 minute gap. We come back up with huge momentum. Took this for 2 micros. Got up to about a 2 or a 3 to 1. Overall made about, what we're looking at, like 3, 4, maybe $450 on this trade. Really, really easy trade. The next day we had a huge pump overnight, and then FOMC, really trash price action. Trash price action. Don't know why I can't say that. As you can see, FOMC just chopping around. We get down to what we're looking at here. There was a 3 minute here that we could have taken if you wanted to, but I didn't take it because it was too big, the stop loss. Thursday we had a massive, ridiculously huge 700 point dump, as you can see. But we did get a few inverses here on the 5 minute. I was thinking, I tried this with less risk than usual. I tried it with like $100 risk or something. As you can see, this one would have worked as well. But overall, trading doesn't have to be rocket science, guys. You can see I'm just looking for major liquidity sweeps, 5 minute inverses. I'm looking for 3 candle pattern V shapes if I can get my words out. But really, trading doesn't have to be so difficult. Last week there wasn't any trade, so I just didn't trade. It's really that simple. I just set my alerts, wait for the lows, look for entries, and then that's it. It's really, really easy stuff. There was a 5-minute this morning that I alerted, but I actually decided to close this at break even because we ran into this 15-minute and rejected. And then we've ran into another 15-minute and rejected. And we might grind to the upside here, but really, I wasn't confident this trade was going to work. You can see it was a decent trade. We haven't hit the 1-for-1 yet if you were still holding this, but right now, we did actually manage to get ourselves a trade, but you can see where we're delivering from is not the best. But overall, it's really, really not that hard to trade, guys. Go check out all my videos. Get alerts and signals in the description below. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, check back for daily videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.